Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and host your website for free using GitHub Pages. This is super useful if you are a beginner, student or developer who wants to make a portfolio, resume or project website live without spending a single rupee or a dollar. Before we start, let's quickly understand what a static website is. A static website is a website where the content is fixed, meaning every visitor sees the same page. It is built only with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No server side coding like PHP or Python, no database like MySQL or MongoDB. GitHub Pages only supports static websites, and that's why it's perfect for hosting portfolios and projects. Let's begin. Go to github.com and create a free account. If you don't already have one, I have already created account on github.com. Once you are logged in, click on new repository. So here on the left hand side, you will see new. Click on new, create a new repository. Give the repository name. I am giving my portfolio. Then in the choose availability, it should be public. Click on create repository. Once a repository has been created, now we need to add our website files. At minimum, you need an index.html file because that will be your home page. Let's add a very simple HTML file. So here you will see add file. Click on that, then click on create new file. I am giving index.html to my file. Then I have already written some HTML code. I will copy and paste in this index.html. Then click on commit changes, give a commit message, then click on commit changes. Next, go to your repository and click on settings. Come down, you will see pages. So here on the left hand side, pages is there. Click on that. Here in the branch section, select the branch, folder is root, then click on save. Now GitHub will build your website. After a few seconds, GitHub will give you a live link. You can see your website is live on the internet for free. Here's why GitHub Pages is amazing, because it's 100% free hosting, super fast and reliable, easy to update. Just push code to GitHub. You can even connect your own custom domain name. And that's it. You have successfully created and hosted your first static website using GitHub Pages. Now go ahead and try building your own personal website. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming and web development tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.